Simple and easy butter cookies with dried kiwi fruit. Do you want to try something different? Then try these cookies. Hello foodies, welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special kiwi cookies. Take 100 grams of unsalted butter in a bowl and whisk till butter turns to creamy texture. Remember, butter should be in room temperature. When butter becomes creamy, add 60 grams of powdered sugar and 1 gram of salt and continue to whisk till sugar melts. When sugar mixed well with the butter, add 1 egg yolk and 2 ml of vanilla extract and continue mixing. When egg yolk and vanilla combines well with the butter mixture, sift in 100 grams of all-purpose flour and 60 grams of almond flour. You can use grinded almond powder as well. Now mix dry and wet ingredients in cut and fold method. When flour mixed well with the butter, take 40 grams of dried kiwi fruit and cut into small cubes. After cutting, add this dried fruit to the cookie mixture and mix. When dried kiwi distributed evenly, take butter paper, drop the dough on it, now adjust the dough to form a round cylindrical shape, or you can make square, rectangle or any other shape which you like. Now cover the dough completely and freeze it for about 1 hour. Freezing the cookie dough will help in easy cutting. After 1 hour, take out the dough, cut into 1 cm width pieces. Now place the cookie pieces on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now bake in preheated oven at 170 degrees for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, kiwi cookies are ready. Look how soft these cookies are. These cookies are something different which you need to try.